developing a npm package that support emoji with text seamlessly. So this is our package named Smiley-Input, and here you will get documentation how you will be able to use it. Okay, and here you will get live demo, and this is our output what we are building. So I was facing a problem that when the picker is open, and if I select emoji and select my cursor at here, so next time I need to do cursor is stay at the same position where I have select, but when I click here, then cursor is not showing, and if I select, then my cursor was automatically moving to forward like here. But how I have solved this? So it takes a lot of time, and I have solved this. I'm gonna just showing to you just how I have solved this problem. So if I open, so here is our Smiley-Input, and when handle emoji click, then we are just extracting emoji from the callback, and we are adding this text after before, because if we don't use this, then we'll see that. But I have solved this with I added request animation frame, and it will be help us that how the browser next repaint how it will be worked. So added this and this, then I'm able to just doing this work. So if I remove this, let's remove, and I'll show you what is the problem is. And if I select, and suppose I click here and select again, oh, you can see the problem. Our cursor is should keep our emoji is where it's just writing, but it is just moved to forward. We need to add use effect and input rep on our input or text area, and after that we need to set the current cursor position and select range. And if I also don't here, if I remove everything from here, okay, so I'm just removing this line at this moment. Remove, comment out, hello, and if I click here and select an emoji, oh, cursor is not showing. But if I just, and here just comment out them, just click here, oh, you can see the cursor is just moving to forward. So we need to must add this use effect and set select range, and this is our cursor position that we are storing on a use effect. And whenever we are just selecting emoji, so if we don't use text before cursor and after cursor, then we'll see what is the problem will be faced. Here just as value plus emoji, so previous value plus emoji, but we can use just here as a callback. So removing this also, and if we look at here, hi, hello, and if we write open emoji picker and click here and click again, good. But when you click here, oh, you look at this, you are just moving to forward, you are just moving to forward. So solve this problem, you must add this line, this text before cursor and after cursor, and you need to add new value from text before cursor and after cursor, and you must need to use this, and you can also use you set timeout, but I have used, but it was just problem. That's why it is just working correctly. And whenever user click, this cursor is just focused on input, and our cursor position we are setting, and solve the problem. So first we need to use request animation frame, that how our browser will behave in the next paint. And after that we need to persist our cursor position, and whenever you input trip.current, then we must use set select range or exact range, where we are just setting our emoji. So in this case it should work without refresh. Oh, you can see cursor is just exact positioned. Oh, it is great. And anywhere we are able to now write and select manually, and just write our emoji. Okay, it is just working perfectly, and text with emoji working perfectly with this just configuration. That is our just reusable function that I have used, this smaller function. This is our picker, and I have used emoji picker, sorry Emoji-Mart, and Emoji-Mart picker we are using in our drop down. And when user click on select emoji, we are accepting as a props, and we are just passing this function as a callback, and we are accepting this, and we have just solved this problem by added this, and this. So you can test it out, and I hope you'll get a lot of benefits from it, because I was finding on GitHub and online, but there is no response. So thank you so much